Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to Tech Pundit channel. Today I will show you how to charge your mobile without any charger. Yes, it's possible to charge a mobile phone without any charger, and I will show you this today practically. So viewers, let's see this amazing video. Look that this is a mobile of me. This is Samsung mobile. This is a Samsung mobile and it is totally empty. It has no charge. I'm going to on it, and 2 times 3 times I'm trying to the power button to on it. It's not on, and home button also. I'm pressing home button also, but it's not opening. That means this phone is totally empty charged. This mobile has no charge, but I will show you this mobile which has no charge totally will be charged without any charger. So viewers, think that if this situation happens to you, if you are in outside of home, if you are in roads and street, if you are in bus or car and your mobile has no charge at all, then what should you do? Then you, in this situation, you will not have any charger also with you as you are outside of home. In that situation, I will show you that a phone can be charged without any charger, just following a simple tricks. Okay, let's start these tricks. So what should you do to charge the phone? Then you have to open the phone casing. You have to open the phone and replace the battery. Okay, look that you have to open the battery also, then keep the phone there, and simply what you have to do, that you have to rub the battery of the phone with your jeans pant. Look that I am wearing a jeans pant. So rub the battery with your jeans pant again and again, and you have to do this for up to 10 minutes. And not only one side, you have to rub one side and then other side. You have to rub one side and then other side. In this way you have to rub the battery up to 10 minutes. In this time the battery will get automatically charged. And then okay, look at after 10 minutes what will happen. Okay, so after 10 minutes you have to adjust the battery, then then close the casing. Now try to open it. Okay, look, wow, the phone has opened. The phone that has no charger, the phone that has no single charge, the phone that was empty in charge, it is now opened with these tricks. Look, look that it has opened. look that it has opened, and it has, look, I'm going to show you how much percentage it has. I'm going to show you battery. Yes, look that it has 35% charge. Amazing. Only rubbing to jeans pant the mobile has charged, and for this I didn't need any charger. So whenever your phone is empty and your mobile has no charge, you can charge it by rubbing into jeans pant without any charger. Follow these tricks. Thanks for watching, guys.